Good evening, everyone. My name is Whitney Easterberg. I'm from Clay Center, Kansas, and this is my introduction video to AEP 858, Data Analysis and Assessment. Some personal things about me. My husband Drew and I have been married for 7.5 years, but we are high school sweethearts, so we've actually been together for about 17 years, which seems pretty intense, but so exciting. We have 3 children. Camden is 10 and is in the 4th grade. Hadley's 5 and is currently in preschool, but will attend kindergarten next year. Emerson is 4 and will attend preschool next year. I was born and raised, and we currently live in Clay Center. Both of us grew up here, which is pretty exciting. All of our family's here, so what more can you ask for? I attended KSU, where I received my Bachelor of Science degree in elementary education, and I'm seeking my master's degree as a reading specialist. I have taught at Riley County for 8 years. I started my student teaching in kindergarten there with a cooperating teacher that I had known since I was younger. When she decided to retire, I interviewed for her position and received it. So I've been pretty blessed to stay right where I'm at, and I love it. I've only been in 2 different classrooms, so that's kind of crazy. Riley County Grade School houses preschool and Head Start, and then it goes all the way up to 8th grade, so quite a few kiddos in our school. My critical reflection, our district uses the data from assessments to begin to establish our pyramid of intervention. We have lots of different support systems throughout our elementary school and in our classrooms. We have a kindergarten aide who kind of works one-on-one with kiddos when needed. We're a Title I school, so we're able to get those services for our kindergarten students who are struggling to grasp basic needs, or just need a little boost to help them with their alphabet or writing their name or numbers. We have really small classes. I have 15 in my class this year, and the other 2 kindergarten classes have 16 and 14. We're able to do more one-on-one work when we have smaller class sizes, which is super nice, to be able to give them a little more attention and see where they're struggling and what I can do as a whole group to get their knowledge base up. We have local and state assessments. Kindergartners are tested quarterly with our local assessment to base our instruction on throughout the school year. And even though we're not a state tested grade level, we kind of set that foundation to get the kids the knowledge they might need when they're going to be in 3rd grade, and kind of push them to try a little harder. We also recently started using FastBridge Learning this year, which our students are tested 3 times a year. They're tested once in the fall, once in the winter and spring. This assessment tests on math, reading, and SABRES, which is the social emotional piece. And it's been a big push for us is to try to get that social emotional part and helping our kiddos where we need to be putting the more attention on our relationships with the kids and trying to get them to love school, love what they're doing, know who they are, love themselves. And so those 3 pieces, the FastBridge pieces, kind of help see where we need to be and see if there's gaps in our instruction. This is new to us, so it's kind of been a learning process this year, and using that data to help us where we need to. We also did Ages and Stages Developmental and Social Emotional Screener this year, which was new to us also. We didn't have as much participation as we would have liked, so using that data wasn't really as good as we thought it might be, and maybe it'll get better as the years go on. Um, since we are a preschool through eighth grade, like we talk to all the other teachers in our school, and a lot of the teachers do star testing for the older grades. Um, and then we have sit team, so our students, if we have a studio, a kiddo who we are concerned about, we take them to sit team, and it's a group of teachers who have good ideas and ways that maybe we can help each kiddo differently. And we use our teacher notes and records. For me personally, I use the local assessments and I use that data all year long, um, trying to decide how to inform my instructional decisions, what to put more emphasis on, and what to maybe back off a little bit because the kiddos know that more. I use the fast bridge learning and then informal data collection between grade levels. We talk quite a bit. We have team time where we can discuss students' academics, the curriculum, and any other questions we might have about different kiddos throughout the years. And we also have weekly PLC meetings. And I use my observations each day. I hope to apply the knowledge from this course into my own classroom when working on analyzing the data from different subjects. I want to collaborate with the teachers and our administrators to better understand how data is used to enhance the learning opportunities for each and every one of our students at Riley County. Um, I can't wait to learn more in this class, and I hope you all have a good evening.